हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? फ्रेंड्स, today's video is all about Zenwatch 3. Asus Zenwatch 3. I've been using this watch for almost 1 year and I'm going to give a full review of this watch after using it for 1 year. So do you think there is a worth to review a watch which was launched way back in 2016 but still it is one of the best watches? So do check out this video till the end if you want to buy this watch. And if you are here for the first time on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it, like it and share the video.
So the first thing, as soon as you open the watch, we'll be welcoming you with a gorgeous round AMOLED display, which is a kind of a big thumbs up from us for Asus, because they have been building a square face watches which used to look so boring and very outdated. So this round display is surrounded by a golden ring, which is a kind of rose gold color, and it's the most appealing thing, and it will be giving your watch look a very premium look. So the next best thing which comes into this watch is these 3 chronographic buttons. These buttons makes your watch feel like a sports watch, and you can use these buttons for various purposes like launching any app like Google Play or Play Store, and even navigating through your apps. So these buttons, I like it very much because it gives a sporty look and it looks really cool. So the watch strap comes in 2 variants. One is leather one and another one is rubber. Right now I'm having rubber one. Personally, I like this rubber one because it's very soft and very durable, and also it helps me to overcome the sweat during the summer season. During summer season, the leather one, it really makes wrist feel sweaty, and I don't like that. It's all personal choices. The buckle of the strap is made up of stainless steel, and it makes your watch fit perfectly whatever size of wrist you are having. But one thing which I didn't like about this size of the watch is that it comes only in one variant, that is 46 mm of size. If you go for other watches like Apple or Moto 360, you will get a choices of 39 mm and 42 mm as well. So if you are having very small wrist, so you may find it not comfortable, not easy enough to hold the watch on your wrist. So as far as the specs are concerned, it is coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 2100 only for wearables, and Android Wear 2.0 is updated with this watch. Previously it was coming in with Android 1.0, but it got an update of 2.0, and it is having a 512 MB of RAM and 4 GB of storage, which is quite enough for smartwatches. So one of the biggest disadvantage of this smartwatch is that it doesn't have any kind of SIM card support, that it does not have any SIM card slot, and you'll have to connect your phone and watch together with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and then you will be able to make calls easily like what I do. Also, it doesn't support any kind of heart rate monitor, which you will find usually on Samsung smartwatches like Samsung Gear, and watches that it an external speaker where you can listen to watch with your phone, and Google Play app is there that you can listen the music on the go. Also, it will help you in taking calls. An external speaker is there, then you will be able to take calls and make calls through this speaker. It has a microphone as well, so very handy one if you want to take calls through this watch. So let's move on to the performance of this watch. I'm using this watch from past 1 year, but I feel like I wanted something more in my watch, like a heart rate sensor and a SIM card slot. But anyways, this is so handy for me. I will be watching my messages and notification and call details with my watch, and this was quite helpful for me. So recently, actually, Asus has given the update for this watch, that is it is running with Android 2.0. Previously it was running with Android 1.0, which was kind of little boring, but this 2.0 upgrade has really helped this watch to work more smoother, more finer than before. The app icons have changed, and also it is working like means there is no lag, I would say. So as far as watch faces are concerned, there are many watch faces which you can get it from Asus Zenwatch Manager, which is an app available on Play Store. So with the help of this watch app, you will be able to customize your watch faces. Daily you can have a new watch face, and that's really cool. So now if you want to make a call through this watch, then what you have to do is you have to simply sync up your watch with the phone. So all the contacts of the phone will be transferred to the watch and you will be make calls from the watch itself. As you already know that I have told you that it is having microphone as well as external speakers, so there is no need to put any kind of external device to make a call from this watch. For listening up to the music, you have to just go to the Play Store in the watch and you have to download the Google Play, and you can see any type of app which is compatible with the watch. You can download every one of them. So for example, here I'll just download the Google Play and Messenger app as well, and you can also send the messages as I have already told you earlier that you can send messages through Messenger app and also normal messages from the phone itself. To set up the alarm, or whether you want to see any notification, you can even set up the reminders. All these inbuilt apps are there in the watch. You can even change the ringtone of your watch. There are many fitness apps which you can use for your daily gym or any kind of physical activities. The watch also have gesture controls where if you flip your hand towards yourself, then it will awake from sleep mode, and then if you flip it again towards yourself, then all the notifications will come down, and if you flip it on the opposite side, the notifications will go back. So along with the gyroscope and accelerometer, there is ambient light sensor which will be actually automatically adjusting the brightness of your watch. So there is no need of manual intervention for adjusting the light. So when you are outside, it will automatically become bright. So that's a good thing where you don't have to worry about the brightness of your smartwatch. So now I will show you the charger of this watch. This comes along with the watch bundle. So this watch charger is totally wireless. It is magnetic. Whenever you just stick it at the back of the watch starts to take the charge. So charging is very fast actually. This supports fast charging, and within 20 minutes you will get 75% of backup, and it's really quick. Within just 20 minutes your watch will get charged up to 100%. This watch is IP67 certified, so a small water splash, or even if you are going to take bath by wearing this watch by mistake, if water falls on this, so no problem with that, because this is IP67 certified as I told you. So it's water resistant and dust resistant. Even I tried with this watch when I went to the beach. The water got into my watch, but still it didn't had any issues. It was able to work very fine. So finally, I would like to say that if you are here looking for a smartwatch which is having a very good display, a Super AMOLED display, a great hardware, useful physical buttons, great build quality, good battery life, and a very attractive design, so this is the great watch for you. This is a good watch for you. But this watch comes with few cons, like it doesn't have any kind of SIM card slot and no heart rate sensor. So some cons are there, but many good qualities and good points and good features are also there in this watch. So all decision is upon you. It's your choice finally at the end of the day. So I hope you would have liked this video. Please hit the like button, and if you're here for the first time, please do subscribe my channel for the next updated videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.